Renovate or not to renovate? Some of you might be thinking whether should you renovate your house if let's say you are planning to sell your house after 5 years. Okay, firstly I'm going to show you this house, okay, that is totally not renovated at all. Okay, and how I managed to sold it in less than 1 day. Okay, yeah, let's see the house. Turn on the lights. Okay, it's totally not renovated at all. Okay, everything in this house is as per is, as how it was 15, 20 years ago. But however, I managed to sell it within 1 day. And with this, you might be thinking, hey, so it is good not to renovate your house, right? You save money and Andik also can sell it within 1 day. Okay, just a disclaimer, just to let you know, now we are actually entering the seller's market, okay, in the HDB property. What does that mean? Okay, this means that supply of HDB is actually lower than the demand for HDB. Hence, that's why the seller is able to sell quickly. So what would be my advice for renovation? First and foremost would be to stick to a budget. Okay, if let's say you have a budget in mind already, or you have discussed with your spouse on the budget, okay, stick to it. Stick firmly to it. However, I would not recommend going cheap on your renovation. Okay, firstly because this is a home. Okay, you're building a home with your spouse and your children. Okay, you want this to be something that you look forward to go back to. Okay, a home, a nice place where you and your family can relax and have memories together in the house. So that's my advice for today's video. Stick with a budget, and hopefully with the renovation, you can build a home for you and your family. Okay, so if let's say you like this video, just give me a thumbs up or comment on the comment section below, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Bye bye.